Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, daytime running lights, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, power brakes, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, footwell lights, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, child safety locks, door courtesy lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.